Happy Sunday, you guys. It's Vlogmas day number 4. I stopped by the Dollar Tree. I wanted to share this cute little DIY with you. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will catch you tomorrow. Okay, so here goes a simple little DIY I made from Dollar Tree items. I think it's so stinking cute. It has so much character. It actually lifts up. And what I did was just place a little glue around the rim just so it'll stay on, it won't slip off. But look, it actually works. Cute little kitchen decor. Good morning. It is day 4. I'm out delivering. It's Sunday. It feels so amazing out here. Just that easy. That first delivery is done. I have 2 picked up from the same place and have 2 drop-offs, and both of them will total almost $15 to drop off, like 2 miles. All right, thank you. Have a good one. Here's this. And on to the next one. It's just a block over. It's like 0.9 miles away, and we should be done with this order.
Ik stel me aan vandaag, heb straf met één plastic. Nu ga